I guess they got that off to a start before that rain snuck in on us.
Yeah, and actually I was down at the Jersey Shore today. They had a couple of stop points. Sea Isle had a nice car show. Missed that by just a little bit, but they had the nice weather up until about 2, 3 o'clock. Clouds started to roll in, and now we're all dealing with the showers. They're going to be scattered throughout the rest of the evening. Let's walk over to the wall, show you what's happening. There's Ocean City right now. Ominous skies. It's relatively dry, but you can see there's not a lot of people on the boardwalk. There's the main area, the house there. They've got the changing rooms, and they've got the area where they have the pavilion and, of course, some of those concerts. Take a look at this. This was a little earlier, about 11 a.m. I snapped this picture. Same building, same boardwalk, but man, was it crowded this morning. We had beautiful skies. Some people were just dipping their toes in the water just a little bit. This is what it looked like across the area. The beach was looking nice. Waves are still a bit choppy, 3 to 4 feet, so you wanted to make sure you didn't get in the water. Those red flags were out, and from what I saw, everybody was paying attention and adhering to the rules, of course. But now things are going to get a little bit better when it comes to the seas. We just got to wait a couple days before we can get back out there because, well, we've got rain. A couple systems right now. Area of low pressure to the north across the Poconos. Just on the bottom end, southwest of that area of low pressure is where we have the heaviest rain. We had a couple of heavy downpours across Philadelphia about 4:30, and now some scattered stuff all across the area. Let's check some of those areas first. Let's go up to the Poconos, the mountains, some yellows and oranges here by Mount Pocono, all across 80. We have some heavy downpours tonight. Definitely take it slow. Definitely make sure you give yourself a little extra time. Let's go down to the shore. There's Sea Isle City, Cape May, Wildwood. While it's cloudy, we have a couple of scattered showers and maybe a rumble of thunder. We'll see maybe a little bit of that later on tonight. But overall, severe weather not likely. Just watch out for some ponding on the roadways. Take it slow. Made it to 81 in the city. That happened about 12:30 before the clouds started to sneak in. Average high this time of year, 79 degrees. We didn't hit the 94. We're probably not going to get there anymore this season. From 81 to 69 in the city now. 71 Wilmington, still in the low to middle 70s across the Jersey Shore. You can see that cooler air to the north pulling in. Look at Mount Pocono under the rain tonight, 56 degrees. Most likely, since we have the cloud cover, you're not going to get much cooler than that. Let's get your futurecast going. I know tomorrow, back to work, back to school. Let's talk about it. Overnight tonight, we'll have some showers continuing. Heaviest stuff again will be to the north, but it really starts to get going like around 2 by about 5 a.m. So for you early risers out there, we could be looking at some really heavy downpours from about Philly on east. That continues into the early part of the morning commute. By about 9 o'clock, you'll notice it starts letting up. And while we won't get sunshine up until the end of the day, we start to turn the rain off by midday. It is so much better by the time we get into your Tuesday. How much rain do we get? A good healthy ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch across the area. Again, maybe a little closer to an inch up toward Allentown. Your Monday starts off with rain, ends up with sunshine. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, though, absolutely perfect. We're talking sunny to partly cloudy, and our next chance of showers, not until next Saturday and Sunday. We'll watch the weekend. Cooler both days with a chance for some rain, especially Saturday evening. Aziza?
Thank you, Andrew.